Then soon after independence, this is not known to many of us, the Hindu public made a demand for the construction of a grand temple at Ayodhya. And this representation was made to the UP government, and the UP government forwarded it to the district authorities in Ayodhya, and they said we have no problem because the sentiment of the community is that a temple should be made and we have no problem to that. But in 1949, December 23rd, the icon of Ram Lalla was placed in Babri Masjid. Again, it is important that no Muslim came to file an FIR. No Muslim came to say that my right to namaz has been interrupted. Again, the FIR was filed by a policeman. Now, this placement does not seem to have created much consternation in the Muslim community, because we don't hear any Muslim voices either protesting or saying that we have the right to namaz. We don't hear anything. But it had great repercussions or reverberations in the national capital. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru wrote to the UP Chief Minister saying that it can have a great adverse impact on Kashmir and our relations with Pakistan. I cannot understand what was the link, but he wrote this letter. And then there was a serious attempt to change the situation. So the Commissioner of Faizabad, he suggests to the Deputy Commissioner K.K. Nayyar that let us quietly remove the idol. And K.K. Nayyar writes to the Chief Secretary and to the Chief Minister that I am totally against this. Only a person who has no idea of the depth of the Hindu emotions on this issue can suggest this. And he said, in any case, I will not be able to find anyone in Ayodhya, any priest who will be party to this. So he said that I suggest another way out, and that is continue the worship of the Ram Lalla idol, but deny access to that area to both the communities and let the court decide. So that is the way it happened. But it is very, very officially on record that a plan was thought of to remove the Ram Lalla idol from that place, and was rejected by a person called K.K. Nayyar.